Hello guys, this is a quick review about the Zophone i6X, which has a quad-core processor and 1 GB RAM. And the reason why I bought this is the HD resolution of the display. So let's begin. So first of all, as you can see, this device is completely made of aluminum. That's quite nice. The camera, here is the camera. As you can see, here is a reset button and the LED flash. So the performance is also very good. So let me show you some features. It has Touch ID simulation, so you can say you have Touch ID, but if somebody gets your phone in hand, he can also open your phone. So you need to just set it up and oh yes, well, you see, I'm putting this finger, not the one I actually made that. I put this if you want. So you see, it's just a simulation. I think it has a warming sensor. So yes. One other gadget or feature is that you have iOS theme. Everything is copied from iOS 8, even the control center, camera, or the calculator, the watch, so everything. And what I have noticed is that the translation in this iPhone 6 clone is very good in German. So if I compare with original iPhone 6, I can't see any Chinese spelling or something like this. Everything is in German if I turn it in German, and that's a very good plus point. What do we have here? I can show you a game which is also going very fluent. You see, no back. However, it's working good. Well, you can also use Google search if you don't like Siri. Okay, Google. Well, I need to update that to the newest version. Yes, the weather application also very similar to the original one. The gallery, actually everything. We have a video pre-saved. My new video. Alright. So the camera quality is actually not bad, but it's okay for fake clone. What also we have here, if you click on health, you have just a fake app. You can't enter nothing. You just can click and see what you could enter on an original phone. Well, for people who like that, it's good, but I would install a stock Android launcher. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed my video. It was a little and short review about this phone. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it on Fast Car Tech, I think. It's this page. And be sure that you buy the X model, because this is the one which is 1-to-1, very the best clone. So, how I said, thank you for watching guys, and enjoy your day.